Welcome back, all of you. So, after understanding the premium, which goes either for expense or investment, now today we are discussing about the term insurance. Why I advise people, all the investment holders, all the businessmen, and HNIs, and those who are having liabilities on their books against their businesses, why to go for term insurance, how much to buy, when to buy, and at what value to buy, and from whom to buy. Anyways, let's go for it. This is term insurance all about today. Okay, so let's understand that first of all, the term insurance is the pure protection. There is no investment involved into it. Whatever we are paying a small amount, the proportionate premium goes as an expense towards this protection which we are buying, and this is what we are buying for the security. At the same time, why this is important? Because ultimately money does two jobs. One, right now we are discussing about the premiums, right? So one goes for the protection as an expense towards premium, and second goes towards the investment. So today this expense should be such that it should be very cheapest but should buy the highest level of protection for us. There are two types of protections. One, we are securing our families when we are not there. For them, we are creating the wealth. It is the wealth creation tool which we have to consider. Simultaneously, it creates or it delivers the liquidity to the family when all the amounts are got engaged into the investments, which can be liquid or illiquid. So these are the two main reasons why we are going for the pure protection here. Now, very important question, that when to buy. So it is the time now, because the higher the age, higher the health issues, the premium will be higher. Definitely, when I'm talking about the protection plans, I will talk about LIC's plan. So let's go for understanding few of them, these plans. First is Bima Kavach, where we get a chance to get covered for insurance up to the age of 65, and the coverage we get is up to the age of 100. Wow. We have Jeevan Amar, where we have flexible term plan. Yes, for younger people, those who have just started earning, with liberalized underwriting conditions, they can go for the maximum possible coverage for themselves. See, we have very good options. Now, let's consider that particular assessment of your protection plans which you have in your portfolio, whether they are really covering all the required amount. Now, let's discuss what is the required amount of term insurance plan. Yes, in general, as a thumb rule, which we can consider all your liabilities, all your 10 to 15 or 20 times of your probable prospective income, and the future projections or the future planning minus all your assets right now with you are the value. This is how the value we derive as a human life value is equal to the term insurance plan value, which we should keep it. But it is very subjective, and it really goes person to person differ. So let's discuss that as well. You can direct message me cover so that we can have one-to-one discussion on this. Definitely. So this is all about the term insurance so far. In next episode, we are going to have a debate on endowment, whether guaranteed versus the income planning.